Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in the volt, water temperature, and oil pressure 3-gauge underdash kit for the 2 5/8 inch black and white racing gauge series. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 2 5/8 inch volt gauge, water temperature gauge, and 100 psi oil pressure gauge. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a pressure sensor, a 9-foot water temperature sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a water temperature sensor with a waterproof connector, 3 2-foot power harnesses, a 3-gauge underdash mounting bracket with mounting screws, mounting brackets and hardware for the gauges, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.